Welcome to English Language Tulip Series Book 10 prescribed by J.K. Boss. Here is lesson number 5, the sermon at Benares. Dear students, let us discuss language work. What are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries are those helping verbs that express the mode of action denoted by the main verb. Remember that we use first form of the verb with modal auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs are classified as primary auxiliary and modal auxiliaries. In primary auxiliaries, we have forms of be, is, am, or, was, were, been, being, have, has, having, do, does, did. And in modal auxiliaries, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, used to, ought to, need, and dare. Now read the following sentences and look at the use of different modals in different sentences. You can park the car here. I could do this work by tonight. It may snow tomorrow. Which dress shall I wear? We should obey our parents. In the above sentences, the words in brackets can, could, may, should, shall, are modals. In modals, use of shall. Shall is used to express command, promise, and determination. For example, you shall do it. He shall not sit in class again. They shall get a gift each after the show. He shall be rewarded if he does well. She shall follow me come what may. You shall go to school even if it rains. It also expresses threat, certainty. For example, if you don't complete this work, you shall not get the holiday tomorrow. The offenders shall be handed over to the police. And if you don't hurry up, you shall miss the train. Will. It is used to express willingness, threat, intention. It is also used to express determination. For example, I will join you. I will go for the dance class thrice a week. I will suspend you if you come late again. He will repent his act of violence. I will be back in an hour. I will follow your instructions. I will do or die. We will do it at any cost. When asking questions and making a request, will you drop me at the end of the road? Will you close the door? Now use the appropriate modals in the following sentences. Dear students, remember that this exercise is from your English text. Every day he would do jogging in the morning. I shall be glad to hear from you. He can take the car. I will leave the office as soon as I have finished. He said I could use his laptop. He will be waiting at the airport when we arrive. Measles can be quite dangerous. The child could not help weeping. Parents must look after their children. We should respect our parents. We need not worry. He cannot face his enemy. I would prefer death to dishonor. We should help the poor. She can tell a lie at any time. Would that I were rich. Take light diet lest you should fall ill. How did it happen? Gandhiji would spin every morning. We eat so that we may live. Thanks for watching.